Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW 1 Series wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades and a soft cloth. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. To prevent any damage, place a thick towel or cardboard on the windshield beneath the wiper arms. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade downwards or outwards, depending on your specific model, until it detaches. Be very careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it won't come loose during operation. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest properly without any obstruction. Before driving, activate your windshield wipers and spray some washer fluid. Observe the new blades as they clear the glass, ensuring they operate smoothly and provide a perfectly clear, streak-free view. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.